Hi, do you want to come with me and explore this abandoned hotel? Well, then join me and watch this video. It's going to be interesting. I do see two cars here in front of this ruin, so there must be another dirt track that is more easily accessible. But the path that I walked about 30 minutes would have been really too tough with the little Fiat that I had rented. Now this would have been quite a big hotel. The only problem, it was built without a permit. Maybe the owners hoped to bribe their way into a permit, but I was told that the owners never received a permit to operate this hotel, so it was abandoned. So if you want to buy an old villa here in Lanzarote, make sure that it was built in a legal way, otherwise you might be in for a surprise. At least local graffiti artists took advantage of this space. And apparently photo clubs like to come here for this great setting and the backdrop with the ocean, which is quite nice. Yeah, unfortunately, there's so much wind, even in lower areas where the drone is quite well protected, that you can see how it moves and is not stable at all. So I cannot fly very high. I'm getting a wind warning all the time, and it's difficult to control it. So I can only give you a brief overview by drone of this very eerie and very special place. Then please give it a like, and even better, subscribe to the channel. Here you will find a variety of clips sorted by country of places that I found interesting in one way or another, and want to share those experiences with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.